Danny, and this is my Ecen 101 Project LED joystick indication through LED. And here is what my project looks like. I've got my joystick hooked up through all these wires to the board. You got this digital wire right here. You got these two analog going to the board, and you got your ground, you got your power, you got your ground going into the breadboard to the board, and then all these digital outputs going to the lights. Alright, here is the other side, the lights, and as you see, as I go down, it'll display blue. If I go up, it goes yellow. This way is green, this way is red. And if I press down, all four lights should light up. Red, green, yellow, blue. If you'd like to build this project yourself, I will link the instructions to the instructable page. I will link the instructable instruction page down below in the video description. I did do some minor adjustments to the design to make it look better. And that's it.